Technology in motion. Witness the power of modern engineering in action as machines conquer challenges. From cutting-edge precision to raw strength, this is innovation at its peak. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Let's dive right in. Did you see that truck? 11 tons, and it's climbing that icy hill with just a net on the right wheel. Unbelievable. Talk about traction control. That's some serious off-road action right there. Drop A1 in the comments if this video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creativity. Wow, that was way too close. This just proves how incredibly crucial good teamwork is. Well, he needs to decide. Tree caretaker or Tarzan? If anyone ever tells you cutting down a tree is easy, just show them this video. Well, it was definitely a rough day for that lumberjack. Imagine this, freezing temperatures, snow everywhere, and he's got a massive oak tree to take down with just his chainsaw. But hey, that's the job, right? Just from looking at it, you can tell this is a seriously dangerous situation. What do you think is about to happen? Oh my God, what a close call. Trees aren't the only things that can cause unexpected issues sometimes. Equipment can be a hazard too. Yes, sir. Well, looks like this guy's luck has been working overtime. No way, that domino tree fall is absolutely wild. The accuracy is unbelievable, and the scale just epic. I can't stop watching this. Look at those trees going down like dominoes. Get ready for the ultimate showdown. It's man versus nature in this battle. On one side, the Bandit 1 XP, powered by a Cummins 175 horsepower engine. And on the other side, the Gray Giant, a eucalyptus microcarpa, famous for its rock-hard wood. Can this high-tech machine take down one of the toughest trees on the planet? Need a grinder that can tackle the toughest jobs? Take a look at the Bandit Beast 4680. This powerhouse features a 60-inch cutter mill and high-performance engine options, making it ideal for large-scale projects. The wireless remote keeps you safe and in control, makes material handling effortless. If you're all about productivity and efficiency. I'm running out of words, man. This guy has danger written all over him. Alright, so we're checking out the Den Harco DM 4450. Observe the flawless teamwork between human and machine. A remarkable display of forestry expertise. The Ursus C330, a prime example of Polish engineering, performs its tasks with incredible efficiency. Guided by the precise coordination of the driver and assistant, the scene showcases the timeless partnership between humans and their machines. No way, these trucks are out of control. They're about to go head to head. This is gonna be legendary. Who are you betting on? Whoa, check out that gnarly beech stuck in the spruce. That's a disaster waiting to happen. With all that rot, it's unpredictable. Who knows how it'll fall? But hey, that's why we've got these pro lumberjacks, right? Let's watch them work their magic. Oh my gosh, that stump doesn't stand a chance. The RT-400 is like a monster unleashed in the woods. It's fierce and powerful, ripping through that stump like it's nothing. That raw power is just insane. I know you guys are just as blown away as I am. This is next level stuff. Check out this beast, it's got insane power. And the sound, man, it's music to my ears. Have you ever seen anything like it? Man, that was a narrow escape. This guy's luck outmatches his wisdom. Seriously, though, a tiny digger for such a massive tree and no helmet. He's fortunate he walked away unharmed. Someone should have a word with him about safety. That's how it's done. Here's a crucial safety tip. Always double your expected safe distance from a falling tree. It might seem overcautious. I've never met anyone who regretted being too careful. Incredible. This Fiat 80 to 90 is a powerhouse. Witness its raw strength as it dominates the toughest terrains. Prepare to be amazed by this machine's sheer capability. In forestry, the cleanup process is running smoothly. The machine expertly grabs the overgrown bushes, twisting them effortlessly into a tight bundle. Every move is precise, every action seamless. With such efficiency and control, the job gets done quickly and perfectly. Looks like our friend, the 42-650, is having a bit of trouble. Now, I'm no mechanic. That plow might be digging too deep, or maybe the angle's just off. When I saw the Ritter D40 in action, I was amazed by its versatility and strength. The semi-professional winch operates smoothly, thanks to its dual chain drive system, ensuring both durability and low noise. It grabs tight cables effortlessly, even on tough terrains, which is truly impressive. Compact and powerful, the Ritter D40 is essential for forestry and agricultural tasks. Check out this fantastic wood chipping setup, featuring the Doosan 110 mH. A crane feeds into a Dobsta DZ750 shredder, while a Volvo L180G wheel loader scoops up the wood chips. It's a smooth, synchronized operation, with every piece of machinery working in perfect harmony. This is true efficiency, folks. No time wasted, no effort wasted, just pure productivity. This pine tree is resisting. It's leaning heavily, but refuses to fall. Stubborn, not today. And even brought in the fabulous 36 to help, but still nothing. Now, they're bringing out the heavy machinery, the ZT300. Amazing, this ancient mill and carton factory offers a glimpse into the past. Observe the lasting impact of these steam-driven devices as they withstand the ravages of time. It's an experience that sparks the imagination, a tribute to the brilliance and perseverance of those who came before us. You know what's amazing? Vintage logging tools tell such a remarkable story. Imagine this equipment your grandfather might have used, still going strong today. It's like witnessing history unfold. And the coolest part, they're not just relics of the past. They're still providing livelihoods for people and supporting local industries. This PTH-14 1000 chipper truck is a monster. It can take on anything you throw at it. With a huge drum and a 730 horsepower engine, this machine is a wood-devouring beast. And because it's mounted on a truck, you can bring it anywhere, the ultimate chipper for any serious forestry work. I mean, seriously, who's the real challenge here? The road or this gas 66? This thing's a monster. It just laughs at those so-called tough roads. GAZ 66, the undisputed king of off-road. Wow, the Volvo FH540 truly stands out. From its attention-grabbing LED headlights to its versatility on construction sites and forest roads, this truck can do it all. Add intelligent steering and efficient engines, and you've got a ride that's smooth as silk. As it is powerful, honestly, it's like driving a masterpiece of engineering. If you're looking for a dependable forestry tool, the TMK400 is worth considering. And powered by a versatile 4-in-1 hydraulic system, it handles trees up to 400 millimeters in diameter. And here's the bonus. The turbo cylinder offers a 15% performance boost. Efficiency, power, and durability all in one. Ever tried dropping a tree? It's a wild ride, but in the end, that tree is gonna do what it wants. Guess in the end we still can't beat Mother Nature, huh? Whoa, did you see that? That truck was packed to the brim with logs. It was so close to tipping over. It's insane that it didn't crash. Talk about serious driving skills and a whole lot of luck. Holy cow, I've never seen anything like this. These guys are absolutely fearless. Okay, lesson learned. Never mess with trees unless you know what you're doing. These things fight back. Safety first, people. Well, looks like the tree just taught Grandpa another valuable lesson. Yeah, there's no way I'm hiring these guys to cut my trees. Removing a decaying tree may seem extreme, but it actually kickstarts the fascinating process of ecological succession. This fallen giant creates the perfect opportunity for new life to take root. Always look up even after the tree is down, and never forget your hard hat. Oh man, I can't decide if these guys are brave or just reckless. At first, it looks like just an ordinary tree cutting, but something terrifying is about to happen. Keep watching to see what unfolds. Oh yeah, wow. Luckily, the man managed to get out of the way in time. Oh my, looks like we've got ourselves a crash course expert here. Sometimes, the best stories don't need words. This video, with that calming background and the way these guys are working, it speaks for itself. It's all about dedication and how amazing it is to just master something and do it really well. These machines are incredible. You have to see this. The John Deere 1470D and H480 harvester head in action. They work like a well-oiled machine, perfectly synchronized to clear out those thick German forests. The speed and efficiency are just mind-blowing. If you love industrial tech or forestry, you've got to check this out. Want to take your logging game to the next level? Check out the Ponce Scorpion, the king of forestry machines. This beast isn't just tough, it's got brains. Imagine tackling any terrain, gliding effortlessly above the trees. Yeah, it'll cost you $318,000, but think about the efficiency, the comfort, and the pure thrill of running this machine. Oh man, this is the dream. The sound of that chainsaw, the smell of fresh cut wood, this breathtaking view and crisp fresh air. This guy and his Zenoa are giving us a true spectacle. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy, everyone. Look at that gas 66 tearing through. That hill is slick as ice, but that truck's cruising like it's a walk in the park. I bet the driver is having the time of his life. I'd be way too scared to try that myself, but man, it's epic to watch. Whoa, that was a close call. That truck nearly tipped over. This driver's got nerves of steel. Careful steering, reducing speed key to maintaining control, and preventing disaster. This excavator is a true marvel of engineering. Its ripper attachment is carefully designed to slice through roots with minimal effort, while its hydraulic system delivers unmatched power, easily uprooting massive stumps. This machine is a testament to modern forestry advancements, boosting both efficiency and precision. The Morbark 11 is a game changer in industrial waste processing efficiency, powered by a rugged Cat C 18600 horsepower engine, paired with a PT Tech 318 clutch system. This mid-range grinder delivers the perfect balance of torque and power with its 24 hammer rotor design, spinning at 2000 RPM. It can process up to 200 cubic yards per hour, thanks to its precisely engineered 2-inch screens. Check out this compact yet powerful machine. Designed for handling small to medium trees, makes cutting and skidding logs look effortless. Its movement is incredibly smooth. The newly added timber tail grapple mounted at the rear, significantly enhances productivity. But let's not forget safety is key. What do you think? Well, it takes more than just a heavy foot to haul timber. The real pros are calm under pressure when the road gets tough. They don't panic, they assess the situation, figure out the best move, and get it done. That's what sets a great driver apart from a good one. Man, this stump is stubborn. It's like a heavyweight champ, knocking out 2 trucks in a row. But seriously, guys, those snap chains are like explosions. And don't forget about those poor tires and clutches. They never had a chance. Let's talk about the Husqvarna 395 XP. A powerful chainsaw made for professionals. Look how it tore through that log in the video. Absolute magic. It's got power, precision, and an ergonomic design that keeps your hands comfortable. During long shifts, if you're serious about forestry, this tool will work as hard as you do. Witness this clever modification of an ATV, a testament to human ingenuity and creativity. Turns this recreational vehicle into a strong forestry workhorse, allowing access to remote areas. Watching this 56-inch circular saw at work is truly breathtaking. The massive blade, the powerful engine, the precise cuts through massive logs. It's a spectacle to behold. Even though it's 50 years old, this sawmill is still an incredible piece of machinery, a true testament, demonstrating mankind's ability to harness nature's strength. CRD Metalworks has engineered a powerhouse featuring a 73 horsepower Deutz diesel engine and a massive 50-inch carbide-tipped circular saw. This machine easily transforms logs into firewood. Its 8-way wedge and 30-foot conveyor, along with a hydraulic live deck, optimize workflow for maximum output. Experience the age-old tradition of using oxen in forestry, brought to life by Hector, a young Highland cow. His thick fur and remarkable horns show the breed's natural toughness, perfectly built for navigating woodland paths. Though only a year and a half old, Hector has a natural gift for hauling timber. Watch his steady steps and determined attitude as he follows his handler's instructions. Wood and laughter are truly heartwarming. It's amazing how they've preserved this ancient custom into modern times. It's a testament to their strong sense of community. Alright, let's talk tree care. If you need a safe, check out Excavator mounted tree shears. These things are incredible, giving you remarkable reach and control, easily tackling those tough to reach areas while keeping your hedges looking perfect. Plus, they're also perfect for selective tree removal and topping. Incredible, this Vermeer 630A is a classic underdog story. In the logging industry, witness the amazing strength of this compact equipment as it tackles a stump far larger than itself. It's an incredible display of resilience and efficiency, a remarkable tribute to human creativity. Imagine this, a perfect balance of strength and precision in motion. This isn't just any circular sawmill, it's your ally in turning logs into opportunities. Powers a 450 millimeters blade that glides through wood like butter on a hot knife. Best of all, it's as easy to use as your favorite smartphone, turning each cut into a joy rather than a challenge. It's mind-blowing. Massive logs getting sliced in no time. You need to see a firewood mill in full swing. Forestry tractor shows incredible hauling power. The tractor's sturdy build and high traction tires make it perfect for tough terrains while carrying heavy loads. This combo of strength and efficiency is key to optimizing forestry work. This 56-inch circular saw shows the lasting power of well-kept equipment. The saw's large blade and powerful motor ensure efficient cutting of large timber, even after years of service. This highlights the importance of durable design and regular upkeep in extending the lifespan of equipment. I'm also gonna show you guys a couple of passes. The Cat 5-1B Feller Buncher takes on freezing temperatures in snowy hills with its powerful 33 horsepower Cat C9 Ace RT engine weighing 60,629 pounds. Its 26.5 feet reach handles tall trees and 35 inches of ground clearance. The black splitter with its cone-shaped design stands out, minimizing kickback and reducing the force needed. For high-volume hardwood processing, it's a game changer. Now this DAX 665T, she's a beast. But even beasts have their limits. Ice in that differential coupling, not a good mix. Thank you for watching. We truly appreciate you taking the time to watch our video all the way to the end. Your support means a lot to us. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. By subscribing to Heavy Tech Zone, you'll never miss out on our latest episodes and exciting updates. Stay tuned for more amazing content, and thank you for being a part of our journey.